Welcome to the big oak with the big hollow on the inside. A lovely tree for climbing, big and strong. She survived many a winter. She teaches us how to abide, because this big oak abides, and we can learn to abide like this big old oak. She has a hollow on the inside, a big deep hollow. And I once came along here about 2 summers ago, and I did what I just did. I grabbed the outside branch here and I pulled myself up, and I got a face full of wasps, of bees. And what this had become was a temporary hive for a big swarm of bees. And I immediately jumped down and ran away, but the bees were not interested in me. But obviously I couldn't climb.
So, this year we're going to be doing a few bits on big trees. You could hide from bandits or anything.
Maybe that's what we're doing, man.
Maybe that is what we're doing. Beautiful. Thanks a lot, Will. I'm going to get out now. I know I'm
stuck in a tree.
I'm going to eat me alive.
Chill out here for a little bit.
Up in the tree, there's another tree growing. This tree is so big it can support the life of another tree.
Voilà le trou. There is the hole.
Now I don't know if you can see down there, but that's the remnants of the bee's nest that Beehive that Will was talking about, and that is in one of the branches of this mighty oak. Fantastic example of, it must be hundreds of